Welcome to another video with Invest with a Doctor. My name is Dr. Haider. I'm an emergency medicine doctor by day and an investor trader by night. I do these videos where I talk about the stocks I've recently bought and the stocks that I find useful to put your money in so that you can get some money in your pocket that you can lie in your pocket. Usually these stocks are of companies that I believe will do well in the coming few weeks and months. I don't have a crystal ball, and it could be that the stock price could fall after I make these videos, but usually these are sensible companies that have got good earnings and are companies that are profitable and would continue to go up in value with time. So if you're putting money in the stock market, it might make sense to try some of these companies. I try to do a bit of research myself. I look into the financials. I don't always talk about them on the videos, but I do look at the financials. I look at the earnings, free cash flow, things like that. So a little bit of fundamental analysis, but I mostly talk about technical analysis or charts on these videos because I think price is what is most important. So a company can have good fundamentals, but it doesn't make any difference if the price is not moving in the right direction. And in the technical analysis, you can quite easily see where the price has been and which way it's moving and how it's going to go. You can see the trajectory with time. You can see how the price is going to move with time and where it might end up with. Like I said, it doesn't always end up in the direction that I wanted to, but usually these are companies that are profitable and will eventually with their fundamentals will make up money with time. So having said all of this, I'm going to be talking about a stock today called Axon. The ticker for it is Axon, AXON. So Axon Enterprises here. Currently, it is at a stock price of 589 US dollars. The company itself has recently demonstrated a strong financial performance with fourth quarter earnings today. The company has a wide moat with not much competition at the moment. I've previously made a video 2 months ago where I talked about this company in detail, what it actually does. Where basically it's got body cameras and tasers, which are used by police and used by ambulance services here in the UK and in US. Given Exxon's strong financial performance and positive analyst outlook, the company appears to be on a growth trajectory. So having mentioned all of this, I wanted to show you the price chart itself. As you can see currently, the stock has made a little bit of a run today, and this is post earning today. So this is the price, a very big green candle today after the earnings or earnings news today. I think the stock is bound to go up higher. As you can see, the RSI, which was moving downwards, now is moving upwards, and so will the MACD. So it's about to go sort of cross the MACD as well. I think the price is likely to go up higher from here. If you take the measurement tool and measure the price from here, I think it's likely to go up to about 600, at least 680, 690, which is about a 15% rise from the current price. So likely in the coming few weeks, the price can go up by 15%, which is, I think, a good target. So if the price reaches this bar here that you see, that might be a good time for you to take the profit. So this is the bar that I'm talking about here, this one. Okay, so price, if it reaches around this area, this price, that might be a good time for you to sell the stock and get your 15% price appreciation. and this would be in the coming few weeks and months. This is my price target for this stock itself. So I think today and now would be a good time to get into the stock. Please do your own research. This is the research that I've done, and I mean the earnings is telling me that the price is likely to rise. But do your own research, see what you think of it. Your time frame may be different from mine, of course. I usually tend to keep the stocks for weeks or months, and sometimes a year or so. When the price appreciates to my price targets, or if I've made around 20-25% on the stock price itself, that's when I usually sell the stock and move on to a different stock. I might stay for longer, maybe like for a year or so, if the price is moving in the right direction and I'm still making money in the stock. So this is it for the stock today, which is called Axon Enterprises. The ticker for it is AXON, Axon Enterprises. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this.